Have you ever pondered the possibility that your thoughts could hold the power to mold your reality, surpassing the simple concept of positive thinking? Envision a world where each transient thought, every quiet desire, could fundamentally transform the essence of your life. This goes beyond mere imagination. It's a significant realization that connects age-old knowledge with the latest advancements in science. The idea that our thoughts emit a tangible energy capable of influencing our lives and the environment around us might challenge conventional beliefs, yet it opens the door to unparalleled personal growth and transformation. By exploring the realm of thought energy, we embark on a journey that not only promises to change the way we perceive the world, but also empowers us to actively shape our destiny. This video is your gateway to mastering the powerful force of thought energy, unlocking the secrets to a life of fulfillment, purpose, and infinite possibilities. Join us as we explore the science and philosophy behind this fascinating concept, learn techniques to harness its potential, and discover how to apply it to overcome challenges and achieve your deepest aspirations. Thought energy is a compelling concept that suggests our thoughts are more than mere internal dialogues. They're vibrant emissions of energy capable of influencing our reality. This idea posits that every thought we have generates a unique vibrational frequency, which interacts with the energies around us. Imagine thoughts as ripples on the surface of a pond, each one sending out waves that extend far beyond their point of origin. This energy is not visible to the naked eye, yet it's powerful enough to impact our health, mood, and even the course of our lives. The idea that our thoughts can shape our reality bridges ancient philosophical teachings and modern scientific research. For centuries, spiritual traditions around the world have held that the mind possesses immense power. In recent times, fields like quantum physics and neuroscience have begun to uncover evidence that supports this view. Studies suggest that our consciousness can influence the physical world, a principle that quantum physics explores through the observer effect, where the act of observation can alter the outcome of an event. Neuroscience, on the other hand, shows us how positive thinking can rewire our brains, leading to improved health and well-being. This intersection offers a unique perspective, suggesting that the power of thought is not just a metaphysical speculation, but a tangible force that bridges the subjective and objective realms. The concept of positive thinking is widely acknowledged, yet mastering thought energy transcends mere optimism. It involves a deeper comprehension of how thoughts influence our vibrational state and, subsequently, our reality. Positive thinking isn't just about expecting the best to happen. It's about actively shaping your vibrational field to attract the outcomes you desire. Every positive thought adds a layer of energy that can help to build a resilient mindset, capable of overcoming obstacles and manifesting success. The impact of positive thinking extends far beyond subjective feelings of well-being. Research in psychology and neuroscience has shown that individuals who engage in positive thinking experience better health outcomes, including lower levels of stress, improved immune system function, and reduced risk of chronic disease. Moreover, adopting a positive outlook can enhance personal and professional relationships, opening doors to new opportunities and fostering environments of collaboration and growth. Stories abound of individuals who, by shifting their mindset to one of positivity and possibility, have been able to overcome significant challenges, achieve their goals, and transform their lives. Mindfulness and meditation are key practices for becoming more aware of your thought patterns and consciously directing your thought energy towards positive outcomes. Mindfulness encourages you to live in the present moment, acknowledging each thought and feeling without judgment. This awareness allows you to identify negative patterns and shift your focus towards more constructive thoughts. Meditation deepens this process, helping to quiet the mind and foster a state of inner peace from which it becomes easier to cultivate positive, empowering thoughts. Regular practice can enhance your mental clarity, emotional stability, and ability to attract positive experiences into your life. Visualization and affirmation are powerful tools for aligning your thought energy with your life goals. Visualization involves creating a clear and detailed mental image of the desired outcome, engaging all your senses to make the experience as real as possible. This process helps to reinforce your intentions and makes your goals feel attainable. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, designed to challenge and overcome self-doubt and negative thoughts. By affirming your capabilities and worth, you reshape your thought patterns towards self-belief and success. Emotions significantly amplify the power of your thoughts. Positive emotions like joy, gratitude, and love can elevate your vibrational frequency, enhancing your ability to manifest your desires. Conversely, negative emotions can lower this frequency, hindering your manifestation process. Understanding the link between thoughts and emotions is crucial. By choosing to focus on positive thoughts, you can cultivate emotions that support your aspirations. Overcoming negative thinking is a pivotal step in harnessing the power of thought energy for personal transformation. Negative thoughts, if left unchecked, can create a cycle of negativity, attracting more of the same energy and hindering personal growth. To break this cycle, it's essential to become aware of negative thought patterns and consciously choose to replace them with positive alternatives. Techniques such as cognitive restructuring, which involves challenging and changing irrational beliefs, and mindfulness, which encourages present-moment awareness without judgment, are effective strategies. By actively shifting your focus from negative to positive thoughts, you can start to change the energy you emit and the experiences you attract. Building resilience is about more than just surviving tough times. It's about using challenges as a springboard for growth and success. Resilience is closely linked to the concept of thought energy, as it involves maintaining a positive outlook despite adversity. This positive mental attitude helps in identifying solutions and learning from difficult situations, transforming obstacles into opportunities for personal development. Cultivating resilience can involve practices such as gratitude journaling, where focusing on the positive aspects of your life increases emotional well-being, or adopting a growth mindset, which encourages the belief that skills and abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. These practices not only enhance your ability to bounce back from setbacks, but also enable you to thrive and achieve greater levels of success. Harnessing thought energy can significantly enhance your relationships by fostering a foundation of positive interactions and mutual understanding. When you emit positive thoughts and energies, you naturally attract similar vibrations from others, leading to more harmonious and fulfilling connections. Actively focusing on appreciating and valuing the people in your life creates an environment where love and respect flourish. Techniques such as empathetic listening, where you truly listen to understand rather than respond, and expressing gratitude and affection openly, can deepen bonds and improve communication. Aligning your thought energy with your aspirations is crucial for achieving both personal and professional goals. By maintaining a positive mindset and focusing on your objectives, you can navigate obstacles more effectively and seize opportunities that arise. Setting clear intentions and using visualization techniques can help solidify your goals and the steps needed to achieve them. Moreover, practicing affirmations related to your capabilities and potential can boost your confidence and resilience, essential qualities for success. Mastering the power of thought energy is a transformative journey that invites you to explore the depths of your own consciousness and unlock the potential that lies within. It's a path that challenges you to transcend the limitations of negative thinking, harness the vibrational energy of your thoughts, and align them with your deepest desires and aspirations. As we have seen, thought energy is not just a philosophical concept but a tangible force that, when understood and applied, can lead to profound changes in personal health, happiness, and success. The journey of mastering thought energy is ongoing, marked by continuous learning, growth, and self-discovery. It requires patience, dedication, and a belief in the limitless potential of your own mind. As you apply the principles and practices discussed, you'll find that changing your thoughts can indeed change your life, opening doors to new possibilities and bringing your dreams within reach.